Hello everyone and welcome to Lockdown Learner. Now we are going to do is minimum element of an array. Okay guys, for this also we will define int min equals to arr of 0. Okay, now we are adding a for loop here again. Now what we are doing here, if arr of I is less than min, then min equals to arr of I. Okay guys, now what we have done here, let me explain you. Suppose I'm having element in 1, 4, 5, 2 and 7. 1, 4, 5 like 0 and then 4 again. So what it will do is, like, first min is r, min equals to 1. Okay, now our I is first is 0. At 0th element we are having 1. Now it will compare with 1. So 1 is less than 1, condition is false, min will remain 1 only. Now what it will do, it will go towards 1, like it will compare 4. 4 is like less than 1, condition is false, then it will go in for loop. Inside for loop, then I is 2, then it was for 5. 5 is less than 1 because our min is 1, min is not changed, so it will also return a false, then it will go up, and then I is 3, then at 3 we are having a 0. Now we are having a 0 less than 1, true. Now our main value is changed. Now our main value is min equals to 0. Now it will check for 4, like now our min is changed, 4 is less than 0, condition is false, min is 0, so it will print like min equals to 0. It will display the 0th element. We have to change here and remove this comment part. Okay, let me run this program for 14504. 11504. Now you can see here it is displaying 0 as the minimum element. Okay, like we have make a program for it. For this, for loop is used for iterating all the elements, like in an array, and first we have taken input. Okay guys, thank you.